So guys, I hope you all are doing well. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Flex Recruitment Drive 2021 or Flextronic Off-Campus Drive 2021. So before discussing further, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for more job updates. And also, if you are going to attend the Accenture Off-Campus or the Accenture Written Test, then you can watch this video because we have made a video regarding Accenture pseudo code MCQ questions and answers which was asked on January 2021 or the freshly asked MCQ questions. So I'll be putting the links of this video, and here other off-campus drives you can check like Dell, G Healthcare, Accenture, Cognizant, Zoho, Google, etc. Big MNCs are hiring for different job profiles with a very good salary packages. So I'm requesting all of you to please go through the latest videos especially. So I'll be putting the links of these latest videos in the description of this video so that you'll be able to apply for the latest off-campus drives as per your convenience or the as per your eligibility criteria. So now let's discuss. So they're hiring for the system analyst IT and job location is Pune. After that you can ask for the relocation if you want to. But the primary job location is the Pune. So it's a fresh job. So now let's discuss about the eligibility criteria first of all. So they are looking for someone who demonstrates the intense collaboration, passionate customer focus, thoughtful and fast disciplined execution, and commitment to the continuous improvement and the relentless drive to the win. So these are the basic requirements for this job profile. So later you can go through these details like what are the key responsibilities here. So later you can go through like the key responsibilities are understanding the user requirements, troubleshooting and fixing the user issues, etc., or the bug identification, etc. These are the key responsibilities here for this job profile. So later you can go through this. So now let's discuss about the other eligibility criteria or the skills required for this job profile. So experience in application support, especially level 1 or level 2 support and enhancement. So as a fresher graduate or the fresh graduates, you must be having the skills or the technical skills because you might not be having experience in this field. Then able to understand the IT projects, concepts and programming languages and experienced working in IT support projects. Then able to learn new applications, technical concepts and program and the technical debugging skills, etc. So these are the skills required. And Java or .NET you must be knowing, understanding of SQL or Oracle database programs, knowledge of any scripting languages like JavaScript, PHP, etc. So it is not mandatory or required that you must be knowing all these things. So you must be knowing at least like Java or .NET, SQL or any other database programming languages or any scripting languages like JavaScript, PHP, etc. Then provide functional support for EI, B2B or any other business critical applications. And excellent written and oral communication skills in English only, and ability to work independently and as well as the within a team with a changing or the fast growing environment. So these are the skills required or qualities required for this job profile. So now let's discuss about the background or skills or you can say qualification required for this job profile. So you must be having minimum of 0 to 3 years of working experience. That means fresh graduates can apply for this job profile. And they have not specified any graduation or qualification background here. That means all the UG, that means undergraduate candidates as well as the postgraduate candidates like MTech, MS, etc. can apply for this job profile, no issues. And also the current batch can apply for this job profile. That means 2021 batch candidates can also apply for this job role. So I suggest all of you to apply for this job profile because they have not asked for branch as well here. If you see carefully, anywhere they have not mentioned anything regarding the branch applicable like computer science background or IT, etc. They have not asked for specific branch. That means all are eligible for this job profile irrespective of their branch or qualification. So anyone can apply for this job profile. So that's why I made a video so that anyone whoever is watching this video or wasting or simply investing their time will get benefited by watching this video. Then willing to work on early morning shifts or the night shifts if required for the team. So if it is required or business requirement is there, then you have to work night shift or a early morning shift. But it is not, it will not be in a regular basis, but whenever the business requirement is there, you have to do the night shift. It is common for every company, or it is applicable for every company, but generally you will be doing the general shifts. So this is all about the eligibility criteria. So if you are eligible for this job profile, and if you want to apply for this job profile, there are two options or two ways you can apply for this job profile. First one is the apply manually, you will be able to apply for this, or sign in with LinkedIn in order to apply. So if you want to apply through the manual process, you need to simply click on the apply button here. After that, you will be able to apply for this job profile by simply attaching your updated resume and other things. So I think there is some internet issue from my side. So anyways, so after clicking on the apply button here, then it will be asking you to attach your updated resume. So after attaching your updated resume, automatically it will fetch all the details like basic details, qualification, and the experience for the as per your resume. So simply you need to some rectify some of the basic details, because it will be automatically fetching all these things. So you need to cross check everything, and you need to, at the end, you need to click on the submit button. So this is all about the application process and the eligibility criteria. So if you are facing any difficulties, or if you have any doubt regarding this off campus or regarding this job profile, you can ask or comment your doubts in the comment section below, so that we'll be able to help you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching, and all the best for your job search.